What's up, everybody? So today I just wanted to do a really simple video and show you how to draw one of these five-sided stars. I drive around the countryside in my area and I see these hanging up on the outside of houses just as a decoration. They're usually made of metal. Thought they look pretty neat. I am getting into woodworking, in the process of building my woodworking shop. So just kind of getting ahead and drawing up the design and dimensions so I can later on make this out of wood. So just want to show you how to do this. It's really easy. So as you see, I've already drawn one in SketchUp before, and I'm just going to draw another one off to the side to show you how I've done that. So just want to grab this polygon tool over here. Doesn't really matter the dimensions. I'm just going to pick a 6-inch polygon. Then I'm going to highlight it, because you do need to change these segments to 5. And just hit enter. Then you're going to grab your line tool after you've unselected your segment there, and it'll automatically snap to the end point, and as you see, it'll snap perpendicular to that line. Yet again, doesn't matter the length. I'm just going to pick say 7 inches out from that. As you see, it kind of wants to continue on. Just hit the line tool again. It should snap to 7 inches again, and just keep repeating for all 5 sides. Just make sure it snaps to perpendicular. And 7 inches. So once you have that, then you can just continue on and kind of connect all the points back to the main body. So now we have the finished base. Don't worry about these extra lines at the moment. So now we need the center of it to come up straight up on the blue axis here. I'm just going to pick, say, 2 inches high. Yet again, you can make this at any height, dimension, or anything else that you want. This is just my version. So then off of that center, if you want to call it a post or center line, then we're just going to connect all the outside points of that. So just continue on. All right, so now we have all those done. So now from the center point, you want to come down to where, to this point right here, and that'll create the faces as we continue on. So there you go. So pretty much that is your completed star. Of course, you can decorate that however you want. I just happen to have a saved wood material here. Color it in. And there you go. So pretty much for that version, it is complete. Like I said, you can go up underneath and delete all those extra lines if you want. You don't really have to. The one that I've done before, just so for woodworking purposes, I've separated one of the points and drawn it out to here, copied it. And then even further, if I wanted to do it this way, I've taken one side of it and separated it out over here. Just real easy. You can just take, dimensions. I'm just taking the tape tool. I know this version was 1.5 inches tall and 1 foot 5/8 inches long, etc. You can grab all your angles off of this and transfer that into woodworking. So anyway, hope y'all have enjoyed. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll even leave a link to the woodworking shop that I have designed and in the process of building, hopefully to have that completed this summer. So yet again, hope y'all have enjoyed. Talk to y'all later. Thank you. Bye bye.